In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft's Copilot to analyze sales data effectively. We'll be walking through a simple process that will have you generating insightful analysis in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the website at https://copilot.microsoft.com. This is where you can access the powerful tool we'll be using today. It's important to make sure you're using a compatible browser to avoid any issues. Most modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge should work just fine. Now, when you've reached the Copilot site, the next step is to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, as this step is crucial for accessing the full suite of features. Entering your credentials should be straightforward. Just make sure you use the email address associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription to avoid any hiccups. Once you've successfully signed in, you should see the Copilot interface. Right in the center of this page, there's a box labeled Message Copilot. Click on this box to activate the text input field. This is where all the magic happens. With the text field ready, it's time to input your prompt. For this tutorial, we're going to use a sample prompt tailored specifically for sales data analysis. Here's what you need to type. Analyze this sales data and give me a clear summary of trends, top-performing products, and areas that need improvement. Format the output into 3 sections: key insights, opportunities, and risks. Then you'll add the data specifics. Data, product A, $45,000, product B, $32,000, product C, $15,000, product D, $8,000. Finally, request that the summary be condensed into 5 bullet points. Once you've entered this information, press Enter. At this point, Copilot will process your request, and in moments you should see a detailed, organized summary appear on your screen. This summary will be divided into the 3 sections you specified: key insights, opportunities, and risks, and broken down into bullet points for easy readability. It's a great example of how effectively Copilot can generate valuable insights, helping to identify top-performing products while highlighting potential areas for business improvement. Remember, this tool is highly versatile. Try experimenting with different prompts or datasets to explore its full potential. By the end of this process, you'll have a clearer understanding of your sales landscape, automatically generated by this innovative tool. Thanks for joining me today. Happy analyzing!